how to sell cruises step by step. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a quick step-by-step guide for beginners on how to sell cruises step by step. So you do not want to miss this. We'll be right back. All right, everybody, welcome back. So in this video, I want to talk to you right quick about how to sell cruises step by step. So the first step that you want to do is make sure that you are a travel agent, okay? You want to ensure that you are licensed to sell cruises, okay? You want to make sure that you are legitimate and you want to get into the travel industry as a travel agent. Now, if you're unsure how to do this, I'm going to leave a link to this video up here that you can watch, where you can learn a little bit more information on how to get into the travel industry as a travel agent. So step one, become a certified travel agent. That way you can be ensured that you are legitimate to sell cruises, okay? Now, let's proceed to step two. Step two, register with the cruise lines, okay? You want to make sure that you register with cruise line suppliers to ensure that you are in the industry legitimately, okay? This is the process where you provide your agency PIN, okay, your CLIA and or IATA number to ensure that the cruise lines take you seriously and they see that you're legitimate. So this is the process where you give out the credentials that's required in order for you to sell cruises. So step two, register with the cruise lines and or suppliers, okay? Now, step three, you want to research your cruises, okay? You want to research cruise lines to check available sailings that you want to sell, okay? In order to do this, I recommend using a cruise booking engine. This will make it a whole lot easier to browse and find sailings from all cruise lines all at once versus trying to do it individually, going to each vendor or each cruise line separately, okay? It will save you a ton of time using a cruise booking engine where you can see all the sailings, all available dates all at once, okay? So this is the part where you research your cruises that you want to offer to your customers and or clients, okay? So if you want to learn more information about how to use a cruise booking engine, I left a link up here in this video here. You can watch that video to see what cruise booking engine we recommend, and you can learn how to utilize that cruise booking engine and how to navigate through it. So see which one we recommend and how to use it by watching that video up here, okay? Step four, you want to market, okay? This is the part where you market your cruise lines, okay? Market your cruises that you already did the research for, okay? This is now the time where you want to get your research of all the available sailings out to the masses, okay? So you already did your research, now it's time to market. Now you can market offers and cruise rates by means of social media, okay? You can do Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, but our number one marketing strategy is YouTube. We love using YouTube to work for us because it works 24/7 and it's a search engine. People search for cruise lines, cruise rates, sailings, and things of that nature. And all you got to do is put it in front of them, okay? Now here's a tip. The best way to do it, okay, you can share your research criteria link, okay? Let's say you already did the research and you found a list of sailings, okay? You can share that entire link, okay? So when your customer clicks on that link, they don't have to put in any specific criteria or search for those cruises, okay? Those list of sailings automatically pop up once they click on that link. So once you did your research, share your link, okay? That will show up all the list of sailings up under that link. So somebody click on it, they see all the sailings and they can book straight from your website through that link, okay? So hope you found value, guys. I just wanted to share this video on how to sell cruises step by step. So if you're looking to get into the travel industry and all that good stuff, and you are new and you want to see how to do this, There's a free presentation in the link description. You can watch that free presentation to learn how you can get into the travel industry. Make sure you like this video. Also, make sure you subscribe. If you found value, please share this video with others. Okay, so I'm Larry Porter with Majestic Travel, and I'm signing off. So be blessed and happy traveling. Bye-bye. So if you are looking to become a travel agent, click here to watch a free presentation showing you the ins and outs on how you can get into the travel industry, or click here to see how to enroll step by step. All right. Also remember to click that button below to subscribe.